If your Pixlr project is stuck loading, freezing, or not opening properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to editing fast. This is especially helpful if your project file won't load, the screen keeps spinning, or Pixlr just seems to hang for no clear reason. We're going to start with the quickest browser fixes first, then move into a few deeper settings that often solve the problem for good. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is a force refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 to reload the page and clear out any temporary web glitches that might be stopping Pixlr from loading correctly. This simple step can often fix a page that looks stuck even though the internet connection is fine. If that doesn't solve it, open an Incognito window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This gives you a clean browsing session with fewer save settings, which is really useful for testing whether the issue is coming from browser data or extensions. Once the private window opens, go to Pixlr.com and log in again. If Pixlr loads normally in Incognito, that's a strong sign that the problem is related to your regular browser profile rather than Pixlr itself. Next, if the project still won't open, clear Pixlr's site data. Go to the menu icon next to your browser's address bar, then look for cookies and site data in the dropdown. From there, choose clear data. This removes corrupted local files, old session information, and cached browser data that can sometimes interfere with loading your project. After clearing the data, refresh Pixlr and try opening the project again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue and get everything working normally if the project is still stuck. The next thing to check is your browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions menu and temporarily turn off any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other add-ons that might prevent Pixlr from connecting properly. These extensions can sometimes block the resources Pixlr needs to load your canvas or project file. After disabling them, reload your PXZ project file and see if it opens. If it works now, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to find the one causing the conflict. Another very important fix is to enable graphics hardware acceleration. Open your browser settings and search for System. Then find the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it on. This allows your browser to use your computer's hardware more efficiently, which can improve performance and fix loading issues in web-based design tools like Pixlr. After turning it on, relaunch your browser completely so the change can take effect. Once it restarts, go back to Pixlr and test your project again. Now let's check one more thing that many people overlook: font format. If your project uses custom fonts, make sure those font files are in standard TTF or OTF format. If a font has an unusual name, special characters, or a file name that's too long, it can sometimes cause loading problems. Try renaming the font file to something simpler and cleaner, then reload the project. If you recently added a new font, that may be the exact reason your project is getting stuck. So to quickly recap, if Pixlr is not loading your project, first force refresh with Ctrl plus F5, then test in Incognito, clear Pixlr site data, disable blocking extensions, turn on hardware acceleration, and verify your font files are in the correct format. Working through these steps in order will solve most loading issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.